with 16, first part it said was to, what do we have to do? We have to name the parent function and the graph, and then describe the transformations. So first off, what is the original graph that we're dealing with? What kind is it? Well, yeah, so what is that one called? Cubic. Okay, so if it would have been like y equals x to the third is the parent function. Okay, so it's cubic. So then it says what are all the transformations? Well, just go through it. So what did the negative do? How did it flip it? How did it reflect it? Reflect across the x-axis. And what about the plus 4? Which way? Where did it send it from there? Up 4. So we've got everything that it does. It reflected. It's a cubic function. It would have been, the parent function would have been y equals x cubed. It was reflected across the x-axis because of the negative that's in front. And then it's going to move up 4. So as far as the original is concerned, the original I'm just going to put in blue. So if you're not sure, you can just plug in like 0. You can plug in 1 and negative 1. 2 cubed is 8. And then negative 2 cubed is negative 8. So your original is going to look something like that. So then whenever you graph the other one, you can either do one of two things. You can just take what you have as far as your original, reflect it, and then move it up 4, or you can just plug in values. Like, it's really that simple. If you need to run a table or plug it into a graphing calculator and figure out, okay, if I have y equals negative x to the third plus 4, and I need to plug in negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2, then do that. There's nothing wrong with that. If we do the other one in red, if I reflect it, that means just with the reflection, it's going to look something along the lines of in this here, okay, like that. But what else do we have to do? We have to take it up 4. So then where is it actually going to cross the y-axis? Well, at 4. So I'm still going to take, so I'm going to be here at 4. I'm going to be 1 above it, 1 below it. Now, normally it would go from there, it would go 8 places from my center. It's still going to go 8 places. It's just going to be down here at negative 4. So again, if I would have plugged in a positive 2, okay, I would have had negative 2 to the third plus 4. Well, that's just negative 4. So that's why we can put a point down here at 2, negative 4. We can do the same thing up here at, I'm going to run out of room, but it's really at positive 12. Somewhere up there. It's going to look like here in red.